Towns and cities are about people, communities and shared spaces, where our safety is vitally important. We know how important it is for you to have total peace of mind and to have compliant, safe products installed time after time. At Delta Balustrades, we also know you. You need trained professionals on site with the right equipment and accreditations to get the job done safely, efficiently, and on time. We have been designing, producing, and installing high-quality balustrade systems for over 30 years. Our design team takes full responsibility, providing you with comprehensive 3D drawings and BIM objects for you to place into your models. We are carving a path for the future, improving culture, reducing lead times, and embracing technology. Leading in compliance, aesthetics, and affordability, Delta Balustrades continue to push the boundaries through digitization. The Delta Academy promotes construction industry safety and compliance, a platform for us to share our experience and expertise. You've taught us a lot, and we're taking safety seriously. Concerned about the future of your business and the safety of your people, we've listened and backed our products with the most rigorous accreditations. Delta people enjoy helping others succeed. Delta people know what matters to you. If there is anything you want to know, anything at all, you know where to go. Delta Balustrades. Expertise you can lean on.